My lord, I am for the appellant, my lord.
I am for the state, my lord.
My lord, we are the petitioners who are the owners of an hotel, namely Hotel Korobi, situated at a famous tourist destination in the district of Bankura, that is Mukutmanipur, my lord. And that is controlled by the Mukutmanipur Development Authority, headed by the local MLA, my lord, namely Jyotsna Mandi. And the vice chairman is the district magistrate of Bankura, my lord. My lord, what has happened? We were running the hotel after constructing and taking due permissions from all the authorities concerned, fire, food, and everything, my lord. We were running. Suddenly, my lord, the local MLA, under the political influence, my lord, they have sent some tribal people, party workers, and my lord, they stopped the business of the hotel totally. To that, my lord, we have made police representation before the police, my lord, to take appropriate necessary action. My lord, that has not been taken. And my lord, alleging such inaction on the part of the police, we have preferred an writ petition before the Honorable Justice Rajsekhar Mantha, my lord. And my lord, a police report to that was filed by
saying that no construction. You cannot put up any construction because of the order.
My lord, kindly consider the order, my lord. My lord, consider page number 104, my lord.
You should have withdrawn the writ petition.
But my lord, the inaction on the part of the police has not been dealt with in any sort of, my lord. Kindly considers, my lord, this.
No, if the police don't take action, you file a private complaint.
But my lord, this is not at all a tribal land. If it would be.
Can't decide that, sir. We can't decide.
But my lord, kindly consider this part, my lord. I have annexed the deeds also, my lord. This has been purchased from a general category people, and my lord, the district magistrate.
Please don't argue that. Please don't argue. No writ court can decide whether you're the rightful owner, whether it's tribal land, non-tribal land. We cannot.
My lord,
decide.
I admit that, my lord. Kindly considers one thing only. District magistrate, under the influence, my lord, the chairman of the Mukutmanipur Development Authority is the, my lord, the local MLA. District magistrate is the vice chairman, my lord. He cannot act fairly, my lord. Because, my lord, the district magistrate has been delegated with the power to, my lord, address this issue, my lord. Whether I am, my lord, that may be changed, my lord. But because, my lord, he's acting, my lord, the specific allegation was against the MLA. And, my lord, the district magistrate cannot act fairly, being the vice chairman of the Mukutmanipur Development Authority. And the second thing, my lord, which the learned single judge has dealt with, that, my lord, there are no hotels. There are, my lord, 2 government hotels, my lord, 3 private hotels, and they are running in the tribal land. That has not been taken into consideration. Only putting forward the tribal people, this issue has been.
You repose some trust and confidence on the district magistrate.
My lord, that my lord, kindly consider our specific allegations, my lord.
Lord, district magistrate called a meeting on 8th August. They didn't appear there.
No, my lord, since the appeal was pending, my lord, this would have become infractuous, my lord. If, my lord, I would have.
This intra-court appeal is directed against order dated so-and-so in W. The appellant is running a hotel. And the allegation is that at the instance of certain influential people, the appellant is being prevented from carrying on the hotel business on the alleged ground that the land is a tribal land. The learned single bench directed the district magistrate Bankura to inquire into the matter. The appellant expresses fear and apprehension on account of the alleged influence of petitioner apprehends fear and apprehension that the inquiry to be conducted by the district magistrate may not proceed in an appropriate direction because the persons who are behind the entire episode are very influential and powerful, and they occupy very important position in the district. The learned government council submitted that already the district magistrate has fixed the date of hearing on 8/8/2023. The notice dated 1/8/2023. However, the appellant did not appear. The learned advocate for the appellant submitted that since this appeal was moved, the appellant did not appear. In any event, the appellant should repose faith and confidence in the district magistrate, who is the head of the district administration. And the district magistrate, being an officer in the IAS cadre, he will act in accordance with law. And the petitioner need not have any fear or apprehension. Therefore, the petitioner is directed to appear before the district magistrate on the next hearing date, place all the records and establish his case before the district magistrate. Upon perusal of the records and after hearing the appellant and the other party and other parties who are likely to be interested in the matter, the district magistrate shall pass a speaking order on merits and in accordance with the above direction, the appeal stands dismissed.
My lord, if an interim protection may be given, my lord, because my lord, my hotel is under threat, my lord, because the tribals are attacking every day with, my lord, that Tir Dhanuks and all these.
The petitioner, the appellant apprehends that there will be damage to the property, and the petitioner and the appellant and his employees are always under threat. In this regard, we grant liberty to the appellant to file an appropriate petition/complaint before the jurisdictional police, who shall assess the threat situation, and if it is found to be genuine, necessary protection be afforded to the appellants and his employees. Next.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 8.
Grateful, my lord. Grateful.
My lord, item number 8 and 92 and 93, 93 and 94 should be taken up together. My lord, led by Mr. Shane Gupta is online, my lord.
Yes, sir.
In item number 93, my lord, it may be taken out. The same order disposing of the 5.
Have you told the officer earlier? You should have informed him.
I tender apology. It was my fault.
To pull out